wanted to share some statistics. Many of you know that the pardon process is currently turning into a 5-year or longer process. The way the board is set up now, with the number of times they meet a year, even with a lot of staff, they can basically process about 400 to 500 pardon applications a year. Of them, a certain number are recommended to the governor and a certain number are not. Out of the ones recommended to the governor, he grants a certain amount and he doesn't grant others. But for instance, we can see that in 2023, there were 2,400 applications filed. There were 357 applications granted by the governor. Now, the 357 that were granted are not the same subset of the 2,400 that were filed. They were pardons that were filed years before, probably 2, 3, 4 years earlier. But in 2024, there were 2,300 pardon applications filed, and the governor issued 422. But just from the top of the statistics numbers, the applications received, 2023, 2,400, 2024, 2,300, 2025, 2,000. Well, that's 6,000, darn near 7,000 applications filed. 3 years, and the board's being able to review about 400 to 500 of them. So with the 7,000 that have been filed, that could lead to a very long backlog. Now, I believe the Board of Pardons is going to do certain things to increase their throughput. I think they are going to make good use of the expedited policy to try to expedite certain non-controversial cases, and it is currently turning into a 5 to 10 year process or even longer, unless you're expedited, which is a whole other thing. And so that's the landscape that we're moving into in 2026.